It's time for another Safe and Sane demo for you. And tonight, we got a novelty special presentation. This item here from TNT Fireworks was one of the first novelties I saw way back. I think it was in 2011 when Safe and Sane started coming back to Arizona, okay? So this is called Pit Stop from TNT. TNT. All right, now, these are basically just, they're little shaped cars. There's a pickup truck. I just love them. And they give off sparks, right? Kind of like a tank. There's no wheels on them that you'll see, but it's really pretty cool. Now, if I flip it over, they're going to have right here, right? Oh, look at that. Yeah, pit stop. There we go. We got a pit, and we got a stop. All right, so they're actually pretty cool. If I just show you, and I'll take them out, and I'm going to put them out when it gets dark. And again, you light the fuse in the back. It gives a nice little effect. And then in the front, you should see some more sparks. So think of it as a tank, a little mini tank, but without wheels. So I had this. And I got this from Jay's Safe and Sane. It was a gift from him. He's a good buddy of mine. You know him. You love him. Check out his channel. We're going to do these finally. No need to hold on. I got to share the love. So, you ready? Let's get over to the launch pad. Let's light these off. Yeah. We made it to the launch pad. Now we put the light on for you so you could see, there's my little pickup truck, right? All the little pit stop, right? TNT Firework novelties. I think it's great. Look at that. Okay, now, like I said, they're like tanks without wheels. Though they do give you an image on the bottom, which I think is good. Yeah, look at that. All right, now, I'm going to try not to light two at a time, but we'll see what happens. So let's go with this guy down here first. Let me shut the light off. There we go. Whoa! 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 All right, there you go. There you go. That was pretty cool. All right, let's do another one. I would buy a whole case of these for some dumb reason. I just love them. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, we actually got some crackle out of that one. And of course the car's on fire. It must be an electric car. All right, let's try this one here. There we go. Try another one here. Whoa! 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 Did you see that? That was really cool. Here's another one. Yeah! Oh, it's pretty close to the other one. It might light it. Oh, that one went long. Okay, we got one more. Here we go. There we go. Now we're gonna zoom in on this one. Whoa! That's overheating. All right, there we go. We're gonna bring the light back on. Whoa! What a pit stop! It was like a NASCAR race. BBQ! TNT.